children,
human rights violations,
dignity,
social awareness,
poverty,
discourse.
education for human dignity.
It's a discourse you can have, a discussion you can have, a healthy discussion whereby there is no right or wrong answer. Hi, I'm Yohendra Nadarajan from Amnesty Malaysia. I've been invited by AI Slovenia to run workshops on new technologies, how to use medias, basically how to use tools which we can use in everyday life, like a mobile phone or a digital camera. And most of the students I've done the sessions today, almost 95% of them have a mobile phone, and close to 90% has a digital camera. And basically how they can use those tools to capture human rights violations, or as well as to capture people's thoughts about social justice issues or social causes, and how to upload them onto YouTube, how to upload them on Facebook, and to use new technologies such as those to create social awareness. And basically I showed them video clips from Malaysia done by social activists using just digital cameras. So I was just showing the kids that on different levels what they can do with a video camera as well as a handphone. For the younger kids, I showed them that they can actually ask their friends questions like, what does dignity mean to you? And everybody will give a different answer, and that's what we want. We want them to have a discourse and then put it out on the open space and see what other youths or their friends from other villages or other states will have to say about those issues.
Temu bi rekli tako, pravica do dostojnega življenja. Kamor sodi potem ta video.
I see that Slovenians have the access to technology. It's just how we can probe them or show them the right way how to use this technology, and I think this will be a very useful tool for young Slovenians to express themselves and to express any social causes which they might have. So I think it is a good start. Some of the children have already done some of the things which I've presented today, so I think that's a good start. And some of those I've been speaking to some of their lecturers that maybe they might want to have a module on making a short 5 to 10 minute video, and it can be on any topic, and it sometimes things like this would spark an interest for them to use new technology, and once they're more socially aware or socially conscious about social awareness campaigns, they might want to use their skills in that area to make documentaries or films. And I think I see it as a good tool, as it's been proven that in Asian countries that is the case, that videos and photos have been used to document social injustices and to promote cause, and I always stress that we must believe in strength by numbers, and sometimes one person's work, and if a lot of people support it, you get a bigger voice, and simple things like just clicking share on your Facebook, it's a form of activism. I always tell students, don't think that just by clicking share on Facebook it's not meaningful. It is. Sometimes online petitions, somebody starts it, and by the end of the week you get 1,000 petitions going on. So the power of social media is very, very important, and then we must know how to harvest this important media tool. So with that, thank you very much.